Good morning. Welcome to the La Reunion Plant Propagation Station. Today we are going to demonstrate breadfruit air-layering, the process by which we produce a breadfruit plant. To conduct the demonstration is Mr. Krishna Davis. Selection and preparation of breadfruit cuttings. We prepare the stem area by removing the lower leaves and allowing 3 to 4 leaves to remain at the top. These leaves are then trimmed in half. Next, we identify the node on the stem where the color changes from brown to green. Using the budding knife, we mark ½ inch below the node we identify, and as the stem is cut in a circular manner completely around the entire stem. Then we go to ½ inch below that node, right? And we make the same circular cut around the stem. At each of the marks, the bark of the stem is cut, and then the entire bark is peeled off so that the woody tissue is exposed. We slightly scrape the exposed woody tissue with the budding knife until the area is completely dry. Rooting hormone is applied to the exposed surface using a small paintbrush. A small amount of cocoa moss, which has been moistened, is taken and wrapped around the exposed surface to completely cover the area. The moss is placed in foil to ensure that it is secure around the exposed area. The foil is secured both above and below around the stem. Using plastic tape, we wrap the stem above the foil and onto the top section of the stem to prevent water from entering by running down the stem. The entire length of the layered breadfruit cutting should be approximately 30 centimeters to 45 centimeters from the shoot tip to the base node, as seen here. The air-layered breadfruit cutting is monitored carefully, and at 2 weeks we carefully remove the foil and observe for signs of rooting. This cutting is 2 weeks after we did the air-layering. And you notice we have some roots already forming on the cocoa moss. but it is still not ready for cutting. So we would wrap back the foil and observe at another 2 weeks. At 6 weeks old, after air layering, we completely remove the foil and look again for signs of rooting. Once rooting is observed, as seen here, and the entire area of cocoa moss is covered by white healthy roots, the cutting is ready for potting. We would use a secateur and clip it off at the base node, and it is now ready to go into a bag with soil. The air-layered cotton is removed from the tree. It is now potted, which is the procedure of placing the rooted cotton into a bag with soil. The rooted cotton is placed in the middle of the bag and soil is filled until the bag is completely filled, as seen here. Cottons are potted. They are placed in the glass shed where there is 50% shade and 50% light for a period of 3 to 4 weeks until they are hardened. The plants are removed from the glass shed after the 4 weeks and placed into the saran netting shed. Here the plants stay in the saran shed for 3 to 4 weeks, where they are given approximately 25% shade and allowed to harden in preparation for the field. Here we have plants that have hardened and are ready for sale.